Boys and girls, how you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender in the lovely and amazing month of February, the month of the love. Valentine's Day is around the corner, you guys, and also followed by that is going to be Margarita National Day. So February seems to be like the perfect month to be pouring any kind of a combination possible with margaritas or that include tequila. And if you stay with me, let me show you and introduce you one of the best tequilas that is going to be in the market. Please stay right with me and let me show you how to pour the Spanish margarita, aka a fancy Cadillac. All right, so production is agreed, and we're gonna start kicking off with this amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you. This is Vuelo del Aviador, the flight of the aviator. This is one of the nicest tequilas that I come across at work, and believe me, you're not gonna be disappointed. Right below this video, you're gonna see the link where you actually can purchase this guy, because I highly recommend it. If you like this nice and sweet profile, you're gonna find this amazing tequila so good. That's gonna be suited for almost everything, by itself, on the rocks, as a mixer with a really good cocktails that we're gonna be previewing here. But you're gonna love it. Just to give you a little idea, this one is actually the double gold award in the San Francisco Spirits competition, which is the most serious one of all of them. Also followed by the Reposado, which is the silver award winner. So these two guys, we're gonna be making some cocktails. And if you allow us, well, I'm gonna show you how to make a really good cocktail. So let's start with the Reposado, and today we're gonna be making the Spanish Margarita. This is a fancy Cadillac, and why I call it the fancy Cadillac? Well, I never had it before, and some person come over at work and asked me to substitute the Grand Marnier for Licor 43. So if you see the previous videos of the Carajillo, okay, you will know exactly what Licor 43 is, and it's absolutely amazing. Some herbs, a little bit of a citrusness, and it comes from Spain. If I remember well, it's gonna be Cartagena, España. My apologies. So here we go. Let's start making our cocktails. So let's get a little bit of ice. We're gonna go for 2 ounces of our Vuelo del Aviador Reposado, 3/4 of an ounce of Licor 43, fresh lime juice, 1 full ounce, and you can go for 1/4 or a 1/2 ounce on your agave nectar. I'm gonna go for 1/4 because, like I said, the tequila tends to have a little sweetness, and then also the Licor 43 tends to be sweet as well. So you wanna rectify your sugars. It's better to have a little bit less than having too much. Let's go for 1/4 of agave, and then eventually we're gonna rectify our sugars. Let's give it a shake. Production, if you don't smile, no tequila for you, okay? By the way, check this out. I got wings. Let's make sure we have a nice side coated with some salt. Let's strain our cocktail. And for the garnish, we're gonna get a little bit of oils of an orange. And there you have it. The Spanish Margarita with Vuelo del Aviador Reposado. Elevate your game. Please stay tuned. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And never drink and drive. See you next time.